Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to learn faster tricks step by step. Begin by choosing one small skill to practice and a clear outcome to hit. Use a timer and set chunked sessions so progress is measurable. Remove distractions and gather only needed materials. Start each session with a 60-second review of what you did last time to prime recall and build momentum for faster learning. Use active techniques to speed learning and make practice efficient. Test yourself often rather than passively reviewing notes to strengthen recall pathways. Teach the idea aloud as if explaining to a friend, which highlights weak spots and clarifies thinking. Schedule repeats with spaced intervals so each review happens just as forgetting begins, turning short-term practice into lasting knowledge without extra hours of work. Practice smart by choosing varied problems and contexts that challenge you differently each time. Prioritize high-impact techniques that give the biggest improvement for the time spent. Keep deliberate practice sessions purposeful with one micro-goal per session to measure progress. Finish with a short reflection to note errors, successes, and the next practice aim, which guides faster improvement without wasting effort on irrelevant tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.